Hi everyone, and welcome to our next class. Today we are going to be making a painting from the movie Up. So start by grabbing your pencil, and we are going to draw the house first. Look at the image I provided above and do your best to copy it onto your canvas with your pencil. Here's what mine looks like. Next, take your pencil and we're going to draw a big circle above the house. This is the area that we're going to keep clean and not put any paint inside. Now take out your dark blue, your light blue, white, and a little dab of red and put that onto your paint palette. Now going in with a wet brush and the dark blue paint, we're going to start painting just about a quarter of the canvas, starting a little bit below the top. Make sure that you don't put paint into the circle that we just drew. Now clean your brush and dip into your light blue paint. And we're going to paint this, make sure from to paint bottom around the house that we drew with pencil, almost to the bottom of our canvas. Now dip into your white paint and we're going to put this at the bottom of the light blue. Using this, we're going to lighten up the background of the sky, and we're also going to start to make little clouds on the bottom of our canvas. Now we're going to carry this white paint up the sides of the canvas, also in the shapes of fluffy clouds. Now dipping into your red paint with a wet paintbrush, we're going to put this across the top of the canvas. Because we don't have purple in our palette, we're first going to lay down one coat of this red paint and go over top of it with our dark blue paint. By mixing the two together, we should get a dark purple. Now grab your markers and we're going to start to color the house. I put the example above so you can follow the colors on the house. Now that the background is dry, we can dip back into our white paint and we're going to put more clouds on the bottom and also on the corners of our painting. Next, using your Q-tips and your paint, we're going to dip into the paint. Just make sure and to make cover little circle white circle that look like balloons. You can put as many as you want and any colors that you want. And here's the final product.